Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absurdism. 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 Absurdism is a philosophical and literary movement that explores the idea that life is inherently meaningless and that attempts to find rationality or meaning in an irrational world are futile. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Absurdism in theater often features characters caught in absurd and nonsensical situations, challenging conventional notions of reality. Why absurdism is used in example number 1. Absurdism is mentioned in the context of theater to explain its characteristic use of absurd and nonsensical situations to challenge established ideas of reality. Example number 2. The humor in Monty Python's sketches often aligns with the principles of absurdism, using absurd situations to satirize societal norms. Why absurdism is used in example number 2. Absurdism is used to explain why Monty Python's humor is often characterized by absurd situations. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.